So a lot of people have asked to see my costume kind of up close and not on stage lights. So she is multiple skirts. There's a hoop skirt under here. There's my hoop. There's a skirt underneath at the bottom. And then the tentacles are on this utility belt. You see right there? You can see it. And then, here we go. I have all these little bits of flotsam and jetsam. Get it? I have all kinds of little bits all over my corset. And then this is like mesh. So I'll let you see. See? And then my gloves are beautiful. See them up close. Then you can see my wig. My face. It's a lot of textures. If you're someone that likes texture, it's got all that for you. Then you can see the tentacles. And then to switch back over here, they move because they loose. Costume designed by Colleen Grady. Wig by Kelly Jordan. Makeup designed, and just to kind of give you an idea, there's the design I go off of. That's how I know what to do. Ta-da! See you on stage.